It's August 15, 2022. Here you can see more raspberries have matured. And over here's the potatoes emerging from the soil. I think I'm gonna harvest some of these today. Over here you can see a lot of the tomatoes are finally turning red. I'm gonna harvest a lot of these today. Yeah, they're sort of all over the plant, so I have to look around and harvest them. And here's the big bunch. Tomatoes have been slowly turning red. Another big bunch. Here's the blueberries. Yeah, a lot more blueberries that can be harvested today as well. Lavender is actually sending out new flowers. Here you can see the new flowers are gonna open really soon. Here's the moss rose. The seedlings are all growing nicely, and there's a lot of them. And a few weeks ago, I planted some ground cherry seeds, and they have finally germinated. I clean up the mint to get rid of the powdery mildew, and looks like it's recovering already. Basil still looks very healthy. Thai basil as well. Nasturtium, it's actually heavily infested with aphids. I actually sprayed it with some soapy water, and you can see most of them have died. Hydrangea, shooting star variety, lots of new growths. And this is the harvest I did today. These are the blueberries, one single raspberry, and our first harvest of tomatoes from this season. And this is the potato harvest I did today.